So that's it for this morning. Just seen my first human being walking through the woods. And experience tells me that he'll be the first of many. And as we're walking out of the woods, I'm going to finish the recording. I know for a fact we've heard woodpeckers. I know for a fact we've heard blackbirds, seagulls, pigeons. And I think that serenade we've just had is a blackbird. I hope you've enjoyed it. For me, this is one of the more pleasant aspects of life. Gonna leave it there. I'm Steve, I'm a counsellor, ardent fan of forest bathing and ecotherapy. I do face-to-face and online counselling based in Chelmsford. And on this quiet Sunday morning, just wanted to share with you some of the pleasures of this bird song. Long may it last. You all take care. Thank you.